This is the brand new ROG Xbox Ally X, aka the Xbox handheld gaming console. Let's unbox it together. So there's two different versions of this console, one in white, one in black. The white one is actually just the regular Ally. The black one is the one that has more processing power, more memory, more storage, more basically everything. Both models of this console have a 7-inch 1080p 120Hz refresh rate touchscreen. Inside the box, you will find a 65-watt power adapter. The most noticeable physical difference between this and the existing Ally X is the different grip system, but the software experience is totally different on the new ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we jump into more things about the console, I just want to show off this carrying case because it's got a hard shell on the outside, and then inside, when you open it up, there's this extra little flap. That's actually a stand that you can use to prop up your console. If you're only interested in basic pick-up-and-play gaming, then probably the white version, which costs $7.99 Canadian, is right for you. If you want the best gaming experience overall and money is no object, then the Ally X version is the one to go with. It costs $12.99 Canadian, but it has some features that the lower-cost one doesn't, like Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, which might factor in depending on the accessories that you want to connect to this console, particularly if you're docking it. That is a very quick introduction of this console that has so much to say about it. So for a deep dive, visit geekingout.ca for my full review.